Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. To do this, open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select Windows Update section, and then click Check for Updates, and if Windows Update finds any, then click Install All and wait until they are downloaded and installed. After that, you'll have to restart your PC by clicking Restart Now here, or by tapping Windows Start button, then go into Power Options and selecting Restart. If you want to install any additional updates, you have to go to Advanced Options. In Advanced Options, find Optional Updates, and if you have any available, you can check them too. Then click Download and Install, and wait until they are installed. And just like in case of Windows Update, you'll have to restart your PC in order for changes to apply. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.